Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam. If you love luxury fashion, then you definitely love my channel, so make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. So, I am so happy to admit that I did go to Versace on Rodeo, and I did make the cutest little purchase in the entire world, and I'm honestly just so excited to show you guys this. Now, I actually did buy this when I went to my Etro event. If you didn't see that video, definitely check it out. I will have it linked right above. And it's such a good event because now that I am a Rodeo native, I get invited to all of these cool luxury fashion events, and Etro was just so fantastic. But of course, Versace is right next door, so I did stop inside and I did make the cutest little purchase, and I'm so excited to unbox this with all of you. So without any further ado, let's see what this cute little Versace box has to offer. We are now going to be unboxing the super cute fluffy charm from Versace. Of course, you know it comes in this lovely box. However, when we open it, we can see just how cute it is. Now, this little guy is honestly just so precious. I absolutely love the fur, the cute little sunglasses. He is just so cute and squishy. Now, you know that I already do have my purple one. I have an entire unboxing, but this one is just going to go so perfect with it. And honestly, I love it so much. So the good thing about these is I love the color of it. The color is just so perfect. But right here on the actual chain, you can't see right now, it does still have the cute little sticker on it, but it does say Versace, but on the back of it, it is plain. So if you really, really wanted to, you could actually go ahead and customize that and put your initials on it or whatever you would like on it. It's just so cute and adorable. Now these do retail for $275, which honestly you would think is a bad price point for a keychain, but compared to so many other luxury brands, it's honestly such a good deal. So with this one, I 1000% recommend, and honestly, just look how cute it is. You can see the super duper cuteness, especially when you pair it with all of my other keychains. Right here, we do have my Balenciaga Hourglass bag in the size medium. I absolutely love this bag, but as you see, I do have the purple one, and the purple I've had for so long, so you can definitely see how it will end up wear and tear, and it's honestly not that bad. Like, if you don't like the texture of this, all you do is take a blow dryer to it and like a comb, and honestly, it'll look just like this one. But I kind of like the shagginess of it, also because personally it reminds me of Cousin It, so I think it's just so cute and adorable. Here we do see that I also do have my super cute La Medusa charm. This was actually a gift from my friend Devin. I have an entire unboxing on that one too. But as you see, I just have so many cute little keychains, like my cute little Prada Labubu. But here you can see that I also have the one that Versace did send me for Christmas. And this one is just so cute because it just have my initials on it, and I absolutely love it. However, when we do pair them together, is this not the cutest thing in the world? I mean, the color combination between the purple and the blue, it's honestly genius. And tell me that this does not look like a cute little brother and sister. I really, really do recommend this because again, it's so affordable, especially for like a starter piece in luxury fashion. I remember when I was just starting out and I couldn't afford actual handbags, something like this would be absolutely perfect. So if you really love this, definitely go for it. And again, I highly recommend it. Obviously, you know, this keychain, it's honestly just so cute. Like, how can you not love it? And it's honestly the perfect shade of blue. It's just so perfect, especially like with the white and the pink and my Elvira shirt. Oh, this is honestly just such a dream come true, and it's just so gorgeous. Now, they do make like it's a giant pillow of it, and I don't actually know if it's actually for sale, if it was like a customized piece, but I did see this like Korean pop star and he did have it, and I'm like, ugh, I want this in a pillow version so bad because it's honestly just so cute and perfect in all honesty. I love it. So, you know, tell me what you think about this cute little guy in the comments down below. But again, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it, and you make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and have a great day. Au revoir. Yee, so cute.